Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the like button. If you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you turn on your post notification bell, that way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2019 Freightliner M2 106. This is going to have stock number D9024, and as you guys can tell, we are working with our 4x2 26-foot diesel rear-wheel drive box truck. This box truck is equipped with the liftgate, which I'll show you guys here in a little bit. This vehicle's GVWR is 25,999 pounds, and we are working with our one owner vehicle. Now, as we're walking around, I'd like to point out our diesel fuel tank. This does hold roughly around 50 gallons. And then we also have our depth tank right next to that. Getting a view of the box truck itself. Right underneath the box, we are working with a recently painted chassis. This is recently painted and it helps prevent any kinds of rusting from forming underneath the bottom of the vehicle. And I'll give you guys a quick angle from both sides. Now, as you guys can tell, coming up towards the actual back part, we do have our air brakes and we do have our set of dually tires in the back side. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like from the other angle. And as I'm walking around towards the back part of the actual box, this is our view of the box. As you can tell, we do have our backup camera right at the very top, which is a nice feature to have. And then we do have our Maxon liftgate. This liftgate does hold roughly around 3,300 pounds. And before opening the box up, I will go ahead and pull the liftgate out and show you guys what it looks like down here. And now with our liftgate out, this is what it looks like, completely touching the ground. And then I'll go ahead and lift it, show you guys our liftgate button, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like raised. Coming from this angle, this is where you would access the liftgate itself. So then you're going to go ahead and lift this little button, and it will lift it all the way towards the top. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the view from that side. And now, as you guys can tell, it is fully lifted. And I'll go ahead and put this away and show you guys what it looks like. Obviously, as we're walking towards this side, I will go ahead and show you guys our dually tires here in the back with our recently painted chassis right underneath. Like I mentioned previously, it is just to prevent any kind of rusting from underneath the actual vehicle itself. And then this is what it looks like with our sliding door open. I'll go ahead and close it and show you guys what it looks like from the outside closed. But in the meantime, we do have this little section that we are able to pop in here. That way we kind of avoid the stairs whenever we have this closed. And with our sliding door, we do have our width of 3 feet and our height of 6'8" for the opening section. I'll go ahead and now we're inside of our cabin, and I want to go ahead and give you guys a quick view of what it looks like in here. As you can tell, we have our 2-seat with the open middle section, and of course we also have our overhead storage right above our seating area. At our steering wheel itself, this is what we're looking at. And then on the dash, we do see that it has 145,685 miles. As you can tell, just based on the dash, we are working with a diesel vehicle, and it also works with DEF. Going over to our left side, we do have our powered locks, windows, and side mirrors. Additional settings over here, we do have our cruise control, which is nice. Now coming over to the right side, as you can tell, we do have our backup camera right over here. This is our little screen monitor, which is really nice, and you're able to change your settings based off of what you want. If you want it brighter, if you want it duller, it's really nice to have. Going right below that, we do have our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD player, aux, and USB connection. Now as we're moving down, we do see that we have our power lock buttons right here with our mirror heaters. And then we also have our parked region feature right on this side. Along with those, we do have our cargo box lamp switch. And then we also have our liftgate switch right over here, along with some device connection outlets right there. And then this is where you would access the air conditioning with the heater. The AC works great, the heater works amazing. It's starting to get a little bit chillier here in Colorado, so it comes in handy. And I'll go ahead and proceed with our engine. Dash trucks make sure that their vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned, so I want you guys to take a quick listen and look at our engine. Quick information on this engine itself. We are working with our Cummins 6.7 liter i6 engine. This engine holds roughly around 200 or 325 horsepower, and as you can tell, it is in amazing condition. And that will wrap it up for today's 2019 Freightliner M2 106. This is our 26-foot box truck with a liftgate and a side door. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you check out the description below. I'll be leaving our phone number down there. Give us a call or text us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty provided with them. That's just a way of providing quality for customers. Make sure you also read that small information snippet. I'll be writing everything I spoke about in the video just for you. I hope to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.